Hey guys, welcome to Freelancerwebguru channel. In this video tutorial, I will apply the hover effect. Okay, so you will see here is the stranger pricing plane, and once I hover on one of the pricing plane, it will move up slightly. Okay, when I hover on this one and I hover on this one, so it will move up slightly, right? When I remove the cursor from the pricing plane, it's back to the original position. Okay, so I have applied the same effect using Elementor page builder. So here you will see the pricing plane. Okay, if you want a similar pricing plane to design in Elementor page builder, so I will make a separate video about that. So in this video I will just apply the hover effect on the pricing plane. So you can also apply the hover effect on any widgets, so if you want to move slightly up. So let's get started to apply the hover effect on this pricing plane. First I am enable the Elementor page builder. So first of all I'm gonna click on this column to edit, and then I'm gonna click on advanced, and here I will add the class name move up. So this one is the class name, and then I'm gonna apply the custom CSS. So here you will see the custom CSS option. I'm gonna write my class name here, and inside this class name I'm gonna apply the new property transition, and then I'm gonna write transform. I will make it 0.3 second, and is in out, right? And here I'm gonna apply the hover when the mouse cursor were on this one this price one of the pricing plane, so it's moved slightly up. So I'm gonna write my class name move up, and then I'm gonna write the hover. So here I will add the dot, and here I'm gonna write transform and translate. I'm translate this in a y-axis, so I'm gonna write translate y, and then I'm gonna move it -10 pixel, right? And now I'm gonna hover on this pricing plane, so it's moved slightly off, right? So I'm gonna close this one, and when I hover, so it will move slightly off, right? So you can increase accordingly when you hover on this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply on the second and third one. So from here I'm gonna copy the class name and add this class name to here. Okay, you will see, and also apply on this one. So I'm gonna click on advanced and then add the class name here. Okay, now I'm gonna close it, and now I'm gonna hover on it will move off. Once I hover on it, so it's moved slightly off. Also this one. Okay, so if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.